Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another rocking day in the jungle. We're going to try to help out our buddy Ron over at Ron's Garage. Alright Ron, here's what you need. Look closely at that top pulley. We're going to get a close-up here. Okay, notice how, number one, I'm not looking down here while I'm talking to you. Okay, we don't need to see the ground. We need to see the pulleys, brother. This is a long water pump pulley. You notice how it's stepped? It's got a taller pulley in the front and a shorter one in the back. You need a pulley that has a tall, short. The reason for this is because this was done to be able to put air conditioning on the car. You may not want air conditioning on your car, but the long water pump pulley you need to make your stuff work is this. We're going to come down here and we're going to look at the back one as well. It's going to have a tall front. This is running your alternator. The next one down steps and then two steps. The first one inboard, where my finger is, okay, is actually the air conditioning belt pulley. The one inboard, where my finger is now that I don't have a pulley on, actually is, if you look right here, okay, this pulley right here where my finger is, lines up with this pulley in the power steering pump, okay? This belt right here would actually come up to the air conditioning compressor on this belt setup, okay? They're all the same. If your pump pulley does not step like this, and your front pulley is not tall in the front and two steps down, you have the wrong pulley setup to work with that bracket and that alternator. Nothing's going to line up properly until you get that bracket, that alternator, and not only just that alternator, but at the back of that alternator is this spacer that bolts to the back right there at that bolt. You must have this spacer in here to line this up properly with a small block Chevy using a long water pump. Again, you're going to have a tall at the front and a step down. You're going to have on the crankshaft a tall, a step down, and an equal. Two here, equal, one taller here. One taller here, one down. Okay? That changes the gear ratio on the spin of this. It actually slows the alternator down so it's not spinning too fast. Okay? But with it all geared right, you can run a belt across the top of here, down to the bottom, and it all spins perfectly at the same rate. All right, dude, I hope that helps you out. But that's what you need for your long water pump. You need to source those pulleys and make sure they look like that, and I can guarantee you, your car will go down the road with the right pulleys. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a-rolling and a-rolling and a-rocking. If you don't watch Ron's Garage, go over there and give him some luck on his 36 Chevy. All right, you guys, I got to keep rocking. I got a stupid-ass Dodge to work on.